how to insert symbols and special characters in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily insert the special symbols and characters that you want on a Microsoft Word document. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Word document and then you'll find insert option on the ribbon bar. Go ahead and tap on it, and then on the very right you'll find the symbol option. Tap on it, and here you'll find some of the symbols, but if you want more, then go ahead and tap on more symbols, and then here you'll find a list. Now you can see the font option. Tap on the drop down and you can choose from any of the options here, and then the symbols will change according to the font. Now you can even see the special characters option on the top, and here you can choose from the special characters. And in the symbols option, there is also subset, so you can also choose the subset according to your wish. Just tap on the symbol that you want to add and then hit insert, and you can see the symbol has been added. So you can do the same for other symbols and special characters as well. So just go to special characters and then tap on it and then hit insert. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.